Hello, it's Crypto CJ. It's a trade of the day, Thursday night / Friday morning Zoom edition, depending on where in the world you are. And it's been a great day for crypto so far. Bitcoin has broken the $100,000 barrier again. Ethereum's above 2,000. The news is generally pretty good. Overall, economic news trending positively, though not a whole lot specific. Trade talks going well. Um, Government oversight being more reasonable. So overall, good conditions for the bull run to continue after some setbacks and some dips. But let's go to the charts and check it out. Okay, should be seeing my Bitcoin hour chart.
Got it? Yeah.
Thank you. All right, so since this is my time in Thailand, looks like Bitcoin broke over 100K in the 10 o'clock hour last night and trending up since then. Broke 104 briefly in the 4 o'clock hour and then has dipped a little bit since then. We're 102.7 now. So overall looking pretty good, above all the moving averages on the hour chart and the day chart. Ethereum, pretty similar arc. That has an upgrade coming up. It may have happened already. Forgot the name of it. I think it's called Pectra. And if that tends to move Ethereum's prices, so looks like the upgrade has helped. And over 2220, I didn't update my time on this one, but a few hours ago, and then dipping a little bit since then to just below 2200, but well over 2000. So good news there. And on the day chart, we're above the 20 and the 50 EMAs. A little ways to go before we hit the 22 or the 200, but Ethereum looking good. And just taking a quick look at my list here. Okay, looks like the time just changed over. So it's kind of hard to get a feel for these, but some altcoins have been moving up as well. So it's a good time to trade. Some of my swing trades have resolved, so that's good news. And might be more of a time to look for those dips, those pullbacks, retraces, and then jump in and take day trades and swing trades, depending on the charts. Oh, that was kind of a hodgepodge of news events and trends. Anybody have anything to add before we go to Altcoin Alert? Look for some day trades and swing trades. Okay, let's do it. Okay, Altcoin Alert. Easy mode is off. Altcoin radar is engaged. A quick refresh to update all the information. And AA score, my first sort, FX is at 95.4, Mogcoin 83.5. So I have two over 80, and this AFO coin pretty close, 79.6, then a few in the 70s. So FX is on Coinbase, and it's been hanging around the 20 on the RTI. Quick review of my layout here. 15-minute chart. Supply and demand visible range by Lux Algo as my indicator for support and resistance. The green zone is support, red zone is resistance. RTI relative trend index for entries and alerts. You can see the last time we broke below 20, we had a nice move above that. That happened right about here. At first we had a dip about 4 or 5%, and then a really good move. Yeah, 15% in less than 12 hours. So that's a great day trade move. And that's what we had the last time FX dip below the 20. We've got that now, though it dipped below here and then didn't really do much. So this could be an entry. If so, the red zone is going to be that 14, 15%. Sorry, more like 12. So that would be a reasonable take profit if you got in now. You might just want to set an alert to take the next dip. So right click on your RTI, crossing up on the 20. Message, AA score, and TradingView will remember what you've typed here in the past if you do it a few times. Notifications, notify an app on my smartphone, toast notification, pop up on my computer, play a sound also on my computer, and use handbill for swing trades. You might want to use 3 notes reverb for this. Click create, and you're good to go. And there's my alert showing on the RTI, and it's also here on my list. Okay, any questions on FX as a swing trade or day trade? All right, I'm heading over to the swing layout, and I'm on the 1 hour chart. Same indicators for support and resistance. For entries, I'm using the SuperTrend, and for confirmation, Trendilo LSMA, a moving average indicator. And right now we got kind of a jumbled mess. We're near support, 2 green candles. The Trendilo LSMA just turned red. And we have a sell signal on the super trend. So you might want to catch the next buy signal. That's easy enough. Right click on super trend. And you can leave it on direction change to trade both directions. For the long, choose buy. Probably only once. Message, AA score, notifications. Might want to use a different sound. Handbell, click create. Now we'll catch the next super trend alert. And retrace potential. Got it now. 30% in 3 days. That's a pretty good swing trade, 10% a day. So I like that. So FX looks pretty good as a day trade or a swing trade. Any questions on this one? All right, we'll go to Altcoin Alert, look through some other sorts. The next one, social activity. We match that up with trading activity. Fire and fire, fire and thumbs up and thumbs up. So we've got quite a few. Social activity over 100 on both social and trading. So nearly all the coins are going to be represented on this. But I'm not really seeing anything I like to trade. Illuvium. GRT I like. Quantum. Let's look at GRT. It's probably on my list. The graph. And we'll go to the RTI. I think we're going to see this on a lot of coins that we look at. We're above the 80 already on the RTI. So the way the market's been pumping, you might want to catch the next dip below 50. So we had that here on Wednesday. When it broke above the 50 here, got a really nice move. 14% in a little over a day. That's a great day trade if you stay in that long. You might want to go to this resistance here. And that's 7%, also a great day trade. So the past moves on the RTI look pretty good. So I might want to set that alert. And I'm going to go cross over 50. Once per bar close, leave it on all day. Message, social activity. And notifications, go with 3 notes reverb. Click create, and there we go. Now, I might want to trade this both directions. Since I'm an experienced day trader, I trade on a foreign exchange using leverage. So don't do that until you've had success on spot. So I'm going to, instead of crossing over, I'm going to enter a channel, 80 on top, 20 on the bottom, and everything else will be the same. Click save. And now I've got a rectangle here. So if the RTI dips below 80, I can evaluate that as a short trade, as like a pullback, and make money off that. And then if it dips below the 20 and goes back up, I've got that covered as well. So that's GRT. Let's go to the swing trade setup. And we're at a recent high on the hour chart. Let's go back into some longer time frames. 4 hour as well, 8 hour. Yeah, at this point I might just go to the day chart. And if you want to get in now, got some resistance in this area between about 23 and 34%. That's in 88 days. Here, 125 and 113, that's a little bit better. That's still a long time to wait to get out of a trade. In the red zone, 182%, 143 days. So if you're a longer term swing trade holder, you might want to consider this on the 1-day chart. It is coming out of its green zone. You have the super trend with the buy, and the Trendilo LSMA is green. So this looks like a nice setup on the day chart, but on the hour chart, it's kind of played out. You could just set an alert on the super trend, catch the next buy signal. It's probably going to take a few days, but the markets have been dipping over the weekend, so that might be a good time to catch some dip trades. And setting an alert on the super trend now to catch the next dip could be worthwhile. Any questions on GRT as a day or swing trade? Ooh, FX. We have an alert. Let's go to the RTI. All right, so FX looks like it dipped below the 20 briefly and then broke back up. Now it's done this a couple times already and didn't really do anything. So it's the third time the charm could be. If you're a Coinbase trader, I want to check this out. All right, let's go back to Altcoin Alert. And the next is the 1 hour projected range. Okay, we've got green both directions on several coins here. Badger, Mana, Compound. Let's look at Compound. Haven't traded that one in a while. Okay, this looks like the coin we just looked at. It's well above the 80 on the RTI. And hasn't been below the 20 in several days. So another option, I just thought of this. I had alert on the RTI, entering a channel. So I could set this at 80 on the top and 50 on the bottom. Once per bar close. Message. H. Go chirpy. So now my rectangle is here. If it dips below the 80, I could short that. If it dips below the 50 like it did here, actually that's going to go off a few times before it finally breaks above. You get this nice move. 6%. That's a great day trade. So that's got potential above the 50. It's the first time I think I've gone with this alert on the Zoom call, but 50 on the bottom, 80 on top. Make some adjustments for what looks like a bull run. Let's go to the swing trade option, and we are at the 1 hour, top of the range. I think we're going to see this on a lot of our charts. 4 hour as well. 8 hour. Well, on the 8 hour, we've got some room to move. If you got in now, the red zone is at 23%, 38 days. Not bad. So there's potential retrace there. And then if you took it all the way to the top of this crazy candle wick, the top of the red zone would be 80%. I think I'd stay with the bottom on this, but that's just me. You guys do you. Any questions on comp? Okay, Altcoin Alert. That was 1 hour projected range. Let's go to short-term sentiment. Match that up with Elder Impulse hourly. There's compound again. Mina, Nana. Or ENS I like. Up 20%. It's probably riding on Ethereum's. Yeah, ENS is the Ethereum name service, so it's coasting on Ethereum's move right now. That happens sometimes. Like Bitcoin Cash will go up nicely if Bitcoin has a move. Okay, ENS on the day chart. Yeah, looks like the others. So it only dipped down to about 25. Last time it had a nice dip, then took off. There's a dip below 20 that did pretty well. This one is what? In addition, so I think I'll add an alert on the RTI, go both directions. 80-20 on this one. Now, short term. Go 3 notes reverb. Click create. I should have my rectangle there. Should be showing up here. All right. Let's go to the hour chart. And we're at the top of the range. 4 hour, also top of the range. 8 hour, near the top of the range. In the red zone. Day chart. Has some room to move. Got in now. Got resistance here. 26%. Again here. around 65%, and the red zone up here, a little over 100%, 141 days. Not bad, but longer than I want to be in a trade. So could be a swing. I like it better as a day trade. Any questions on ENS? All right, let's go with one more Sorg with long-term sentiment. Match that up with the Elder Impulse Daily. And quite a few to choose from. Even Ethereum makes the rare appearance, up 20%, over 20% today. Venus, Pepe, up 30%. Bitcoin, that's rare too. Uniswap, 24%. That's interesting. Let's look at that. Yeah, it's way up there too on the RTI. Yeah, I've got alert. Well, got alert set for 3 coins. I'll go with one more here on Uniswap. Add an alert. Entering a channel. 80 on top, 20 on the bottom. And long-term sentiment buy. Yeah. Click player create. There's my rectangle. And then if you're trading spot, choose the crossing up on 20 or 50, and you know the rest. So, all right, that's my day trade alert on Uni. Let's go to the swing trade option. And we're at the top of the range on the 1 hour in the red zone. 4 hour as well. 8 hour has a little more room to move. Got in now, went to the red zone, 16%, 45 days. Don't love it. Yeah. Day trade, day chart. Resistance here at 60%, 84 days. Again here, over 100%. And then red zone. It's like 140, 160 in about the same number of days. So not bad. So it's got swing trade potential as well. Any questions on Uni? Well, that's about all I have for Altcoin Alert. A lot of options out there. I'll wait for those retraces, those pullbacks. Those can be good entries on your next trade. Any coins you want to look at on Altcoin Alert or the charts overall? All right, you guys are quieter than I thought you would be. That's okay. I'll wrap it up here. If you are on the recording, rather see you live, but check out the opportunities in the pinned comment. They help fund the channel. A week from today, I will be traveling back to the USA, but late at night. So I might just go ahead and have my Zoom call and then pack things up after that. So I should be good to go for Monday and Thursday next week. And we'll see you then. Have a good trading week. Bye.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.